The best Wi-Fi networks that cover your entire smart home. Netgear Orbi. The Netgear Orbi system, with prices starting around $560 to $600 per system, features a two-piece white tower creating a mesh network for homes under 4,000 square feet. It ensures complete coverage for devices like smart shades, locks, cameras, and lights. Eero Router System. Eero, a pioneering Wi-Fi mesh system, debuted in 2016, priced at $199 for one unit, $349 for two, and $499 for three. The first connects to the modem, the second is central, and the third extends coverage. Amplify from Ubiquiti Networks. Amplify from Ubiquiti Networks, a forthcoming Wi-Fi mesh system, offers a single unit for $199.99, and the two-node Ally Plus for $379.99. The compact modules cover 10,000 or 20,000 square feet, ensuring wide coverage.
Go to GearBrain for more information.